Welcome back to our channel. We've come up with our latest video to help you choose the right transport management software or TMS that can make fleet management easier for you. Choosing the right TMS can make all the difference. Let us take you through a comprehensive guide that can help you choose the right TMS for your business. Understanding business needs is crucial when choosing the right TMS for several reasons. Customization: every business has unique transportation requirements. Understanding your specific needs allows you to choose a TMS that can be customized or configured to match your operations precisely. This ensures that the software aligns with your business processes rather than forcing you to adapt to a one-size-fits-all solution. Efficiency: when you know your business needs, you can select a TMS that addresses the areas where your fleet can benefit the most. Whether it's optimizing routes, improving load planning, or enhancing communication with drivers, a tailored TMS can have a more significant impact on your business's efficiency. Cost effectiveness: by understanding your business needs, you can avoid overpaying for features or capabilities that you won't use. You can choose a TMS that offers the right set of features to meet your requirements, preventing unnecessary expenses and ensuring a better return on investment. User adoption: fleet managers and drivers will be using the TMS daily. When the software aligns with their needs and workflows, they are more likely to adopt it enthusiastically. This minimizes resistance to change, reduces training time, and leads to smoother integration into your operations. Competitive advantage: understanding your business needs and choosing the right TMS can give you a competitive advantage. It can help you optimize operations, improve customer service, and make data-driven decisions, which can set your business apart from competitors who might not have such a well-tailored solution. Alignment with strategic goals: your business likely has specific strategic goals, such as reducing costs, increasing customer satisfaction, or expanding into new markets. A TMS that aligns with these goals can be a valuable tool for achieving them. Scalability is another critical factor when choosing the right TMS for the following reasons. Adapting to business growth: your business is likely to evolve and grow over time. Choosing a scalable TMS ensures that your software can accommodate the increasing demands of your fleet operations without needing a complete overhaul or replacement. Cost efficiency: scalable TMS solutions often allow you to pay for only the resources and features you currently need. It can be more cost-effective than investing in an overly robust system for your current requirements. Scalability provides flexibility in adapting to changing market conditions and business strategies. If your business diversifies its services, enters new markets, or experiences fluctuations in demand, a scalable TMS can adjust to these changes more easily, ensuring that your software remains aligned with your evolving needs. Resource allocation: a scalable TMS allows you to allocate resources more efficiently. This agility in resource allocation helps maintain operational efficiency and ensures you're using your resources optimally. Reduced downtime: when you need to upgrade or expand a non-scalable TMS, it often involves downtime and potential disruptions to your operations. Customer satisfaction: scalability can improve customer satisfaction by ensuring you can meet growing demand without compromising service quality. A user-friendly interface is essential for your team's efficiency. It makes passengers happy by providing a pleasing experience and simplifies the tasks of the drivers and the admin panel. Evaluate how easily the TMS integrates with your existing systems, such as GPS, accounting, and inventory management. Understand the pricing structure. Consider not only the initial cost but also ongoing fees and potential savings. Can the TMS be tailored to your fleet's unique needs? Look for flexibility in configurations. Reliable customer support and training options are vital. Ensure you have access to help when needed. Security. Protect your sensitive data. Verify that the TMS offers robust security features, including data encryption. Reviews and recommendations. Seek feedback from other fleet managers and industry experts. Reviews and testimonials can be valuable. Demo and trial. Don't hesitate to request a demo or trial period. Hands-on experience is the best way to evaluate a TMS. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for watching, and best of luck in your quest to find the perfect transport management software for your fleet. Stay tuned for more industry updates.